Lumulutang ngayon ang umano'y koneksyon ni Maynard Ngo kay actress fashion icon Heart Evangelista matapos pangalanan si Ngo sa Senado bilang tumatanggap umano ng kickback mula sa mga flood control projects para kay Senator Cheese Escudero. Ayon sa pasabog ni DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, matagal na umano niyang kilala si Maynard Ngo at matalik pa raw silang magkaibigan. Dagdag pa ni Bernardo, kaibigan din ni Ngo si Senador Cheese Escudero at nagbigay pa umano ito ng donasyon sa senador noong nakaraang eleksyon.
In this affidavit, I shall mention my personal knowledge regarding Senator Cheese Escudero as follows. Maynard Ngu and I are close friends and we go years back. He is also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Cheese Escudero. Maynard Ngu asked me to submit a list of projects. I personally submitted a list of projects to Maynard Ngu, and some of the items therein pertaining to Valenzuela and Marinduque projects were subsequently included in the General Appropriations Act. A copy of the list of Valenzuela and Marinduque projects is here to attach to this affidavit as Annex A. Annex A. When I gave him the list, and in relation to the commitment, I asked him, Boss, paano to? Maynard replied, bahala ka na. I asked, Boss, okay na ba ang 20%? Maynard said, okay. After inclusion of the projects in the GAA, I delivered 20% of approximately 800 million or about 160 million to Maynard Ngu, which was meant for Senator Escudero. Finally, I would like to add that deliveries of cash were personally made to me by me to Maynard Ngu at his office in Manila.
Dahil sa mga revelasyong ito, nadawit na rin ang pangalan ng actress at fashion icon na si Heart Evangelista dahil sa umano'y koneksyon niya kay Ngu. Lumalabas na business partner niya ito sa Loxel Beauty at si Ngu rin ang CEO ng Cherry Mobile kung saan may ilang endorsement deals si Evangelista. Sa ngayon, nananatiling tikom ang bibig ni Heart Evangelista sa isyu.